bracket cut. This is a pretty old, very simple one-handed cut. I remember when I created it, I came up with a lot of small variations, but I ended up keeping the most simple one. It's a very addictive move, and let's just get into the explanation. To do bracket cut, you want to just have it in dealer script and then open up for a Xia cut, and then reposition your thumb to the edge here, to the short edge, getting into this position where the top packet is being held between your pinky and your thumb. And then you want to lift this packet up on top of this one. And the way that you're going to do that is by extending your middle finger as you push down and curl in your index finger, and it's going to look like this. This is a pretty knacky grip, but you'll get it if you just practice it a bit. It's very important to put a lot of pressure with your index finger on the packet, pushing it all the way up and above the top packet in the beginning here, the 5 of spades packet in my case. So yeah, you want to do this grip here, pushing this packet up, and then move your thumb underneath this packet, and then let the top packet slide on your thumb's nail so that there are no cards getting stuck anywhere, and then just close the two packets together like so.